Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a magnetic expedition to explore the captivating world of Earth's magnetic field. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this invisible force that shapes our planet's destiny and shields us from the dangers of space. Deep within the core of our planet lies an intricate magnetic field, generated by the churning molten iron in the outer core. This invisible shield extends around the Earth, creating a protective bubble known as the magnetosphere. Earth's magnetic field acts as a cosmic guardian, deflecting harmful solar radiation and charged particles, protecting our atmosphere, and enabling life to flourish. But the magnetic field is not static, it's dynamic and ever-changing. Scientists study its behavior to understand phenomena like geomagnetic reversals, where the magnetic poles flip over geological time. Beyond protecting our home planet, Earth's magnetic field plays a crucial role in navigation, guiding compass needles for centuries and aiding animal migration across the globe. As we explore the wonders of Earth's magnetic field, we uncover its significance for space exploration. Understanding the field's interactions with solar winds helps us prepare for journeys to other celestial bodies. Let's marvel at this natural wonder that shapes our past, present, and future. Earth's magnetic field is not just a scientific marvel, it's a protective embrace that makes our existence possible. As we conclude this one-minute journey, let's remain curious about the mysteries of Earth's magnetic field and its vital role in the cosmic dance of our planet. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world, and remember, beneath the surface of the Earth, a magnetic force beckons us to seek the extraordinary.